Hello, I like make today vanilla pound cake with chocolate icing. What we need for this recipe, first of all, preheat oven to 160 degrees Celsius, which is 315 Fahrenheit. And we need grease and line with non-stick baking paper around baking pan, which is 20 centimeter in diameter, 8 inch. So set aside for now. So what we need for this recipe, we need 250 gram of butter softened, 250 gram of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 4 eggs, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, and 250 gram plain flour, and 1/4 cup of milk. So we started by place butter in a large bowl, add sugar, vanilla, and what we do is with the electric mixer we beat for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's pale and fluffy. Once mixture become pale and fluffy, what we do is we add 1 egg at a time and beat it very well after each addition. Add baking powder to the flour and mix together. Next step is to add flour mixture to butter mixture. Beat together until well combined. Fold milk into our cake batter. Spoon mixture into prepared baking. And place in the preheated oven and bake for about 55 to 60 minutes or until skewer inserted into center comes out clean. Once cake is baked, allow to cool in a baking pan completely. Once cake is baked and completely cooled down, we prepare chocolate icing. For the chocolate icing, we need 2 cups of icing mixture or powdered icing sugar, sifted. We need also 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, sifted also. Just place all ingredients, these 2 ingredients together, and add 3½ tablespoons of boiling water. Mix it together to make it nice and thick type of chocolate icing, and we spread on top of cake. If you find that it's not enough water, just simply add a little bit more. Just do it bit by bit only. Adding small amounts of water until you get a thick but spreadable consistency, and simply spread on top of cake. And leave it to set. Now we finish vanilla pound cake with chocolate icing, and I just took slice, and as you can see it has great excellent texture. So everything will be in the description box. If you have any questions, please do write. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Until next time, goodbye.